stated what happened.
Violent.
He has refused to use the word violence, and he said he's disordered.
Chair, honestly speaking, these are
let me tell you,
these are simple questions.
There are no simple questions in cross-examination. And please, let us conduct these proceedings professionally.
How unprofessional I am.
You get it?
How I am.
When a witness answers the question, that is his answer. Then you have an opportunity at submission to make whatever submission you want about the answer. So please. I just want us to, and I repeat this. This is an inquiry conducted professionally. A witness has answered the question. If you are dissatisfied with the question, you know what you do in a submission. And this is standard. Proceed to the next question, Mr. Okwago, please.
Chair, I would like to register my concern on the way the proceedings are being conducted.
You have all the right, and you know when you are supposed to do that. Can you proceed with the next question?
Before you proceed, Chair, I need to be guided on how professional I should be, because the catchphrase is proceedings should be conducted professionally. And I'm posing
absolutely.
I'm posing questions to the witness which are pertinent. The question of the impugned or Mpande Act is an issue. And we want to know whether the Honorable Zake was violent or not.
He has told you he was disordered. You, the issue of violence, you bring it, he said he has disordered. Can you make that interpretation? You don't get the answers. It's not your words the witness should use. Your duty is to ask the questions, and the witness answers. Let's proceed, please.
Chair, we're a bit disturbed because in the examination in chief, the witness gave a lot of opinionated evidence, a lot of it, which is on record. So if we could see how now to sieve out what can be on record and what should be off record, because I'm trying to examine him on the very evidence he gave, because there are situations where he was asked even to interpret the actions of the Honorable Zake, to interpret the feeling of the speaker. That was the speaker happy.
Did we allow that?
The question came up. How did the speaker treat this? Then he said, the speaker appeared to be offended. He's on record saying that.
Where do you get that? There is nowhere on our record when the witness used the word offended. It's not anywhere on our record. That is your word.
Since the witness is not ready to answer our questions and is being protected by the chair, we beg to stop there as far as this witness is concerned.
Okay. That witness is... Dear colleagues, is anybody who has any other question? Okay. Mr. Cassidy, you are discharged.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.